Good morning, students. Today we'll see third property of similarity chapter. Now let's see what is the third property of similarity. So students, this is my first triangle PQS. This triangle has common height. That common height is PG. This one height PG is shared by both triangles. Look, both the triangles PGQ and PGS both are sharing same height. So what is the third property? Property is triangles with common height. Ratio of areas of two triangles. The first is PGQ. Second triangle PGS is equals to ratio of products of their base and height. So first triangle PGQ, here we'll write base into height. Another triangle same, base into height. Now let us substitute the actual base and their height. So in triangle PGQ, what is my base? My base is QG or GQ. Into height, what is the height here? Height is PG. Same thing with the another triangle, base. So another triangle PGS, here base is GS. So here we'll write GS into height. What is the height of another triangle? That is PG. So what we discussed? Two triangles with common height. So here we can see both are having same height. So PG will get cancelled. Height get cancelled. Now what do we left? We left with GQ upon GS. What are these two? These two are bases of two triangles. So this is third property of similarity. The property is triangles with equal heights. And how do we read this property? Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. And when we'll apply this property? If both the triangles are having equal height. Clear, students? Thank you so much. Now, since we have finished 1, 2, 3, all three properties, now we will see what are the different questions dependent upon these properties in your textbook. Good morning, students. Welcome back. Again, we are doing the same chapter, similarity. And now, as we have discussed earlier, those three properties. Now we'll see the textual question depending upon 1, 2, 3, all those three properties. Okay, students? So here we'll discuss first sub question of your textbook. Let us see the first sub question in your textbook is the base of a triangle is given 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. So here they gave us two triangles. The first one, let us say my first triangle ABC. My another triangle LMN. Here the question says first triangle having height AD and the base is BC. Similarly, another triangle having height LG. This is height and this whole we will call this base. According to question, the base of triangle is 9. We are talking about first triangle. Base is given 9 and height is 5. So this is 5. Another triangle having base is equals to 10 and the height of this triangle is given 6. So students, what we can see here? We can clearly see these are two different triangles and both of them are having their own base and heights. So which property it is? It is your first property. The property was triangles with different base and different height. So we will apply first property here. Let us see the solution. Ratio of areas of two triangles. What is my first triangle? A, B, C. Upon another triangle L, M, N is equals to ratio of products of corresponding base and height. Base and height. Now let us see what is the base of first triangle ABC. Here A, B, C. Here my base is BC into what is the height? Height is AD. Whole upon same base into height of another triangle. What is the base? MN into what is the height? Height is LG is equals to. Do we know their values? Yes. BC is given 9 into what is AD? AD is 5 whole upon MN. MN we know it is 10 and the last LG is 6. Now students, can we divide these two? Yes. Let us divide. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Now 6 and 9. So these we can divide with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So what is your answer? Your answer will be 3 ones are 3 upon 2 twos are 4. So this is the solution of first sub question from your textbook. Clear students? Thank you so much. This is the solution of first sub question in your textbook. Everyone clear this solution? Okay students, now remember question number 3 of your textbook. Question number 3 of your textbook. is dependent upon first property. So this question number 3 from the same exercise 1.1, this question number 3 you can solve as homework. And to solve this question you have to apply which formula? The same formula. Triangles with different base and heights. This is your first property. Clear, students? Today we'll see second question of your first exercise of similarity chapter. The question of your textbook, question number 2 is, a figure is given here given BC is 4, BC is 4 and AD is 8, and we need to find ratio of two triangles ABC and ADB. So it is your question number 2. Let us do solution. Now here we can see two triangles. Now both the triangles are having height and base. So look, height of first triangle is BC and height of second triangle is AD. What about base? Both the triangles are sharing same base. So which property it is? It is your second property, triangles with common base. So let us start the solution. Ratio of areas of two triangles. The first triangle is triangle ABC. Second triangle is triangle ADB is equals to. Now since we know both are sharing same base, so we will not mention their base. We will directly write their heights. Is equals to base will get cancelled. So we will left only with their heights. So what is the height of first triangle? Height of first triangle is CB. What is the height of another triangle? That is AD. Do we know their values also? Yes. CB is given 4 and AD is 8. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So my answer is 1 upon 2. And which property we have used? We have used this property. Triangles. We can see two triangles? Yes. So triangles with common base. As you can see, both the triangles are sharing same base. So this is the second sub question of your first exercise. Here we have used second property, triangles with common base. Clear everyone?